Network topology. What is a network topology? Topology defines the structure of the network of how all components are interconnected to each other. There are two types of topology: physical topology and logical topology. Physical topology is the geometric representations of all the nodes in a network. Type of network topology: bus topology, ring topology, tree topology, star topology, mesh topology, and hybrid topology. Bus topology. The bus topology is designed in such a way that all the stations are connected through a single cable known as backbone cable. Each node is either connected to a backbone cable by a drop cable or directly connected to a backbone cable. When a node wants to send a message over the network, it puts a message over the network, and all stations available in the network will receive the message whether it has been addressed or not. The configuration of a bus topology is quite simpler as compared to other topology. The backbone cable is considered as a single LAN through which the message is broadcast to all the stations. The most common access method of the bus topology is CSMA, Carrier Sense Multiple Access. Advantage of bus topology: low cost cable. In bus topology, nodes are directly connected to cable without passing through a hub. Therefore, the initial cost of the installation is low. Moderate data speed. Coaxial or twisted pair cables are mainly used in bus-based networks that support up to 10 Mbps. Familiar technology. Bus technology is familiar technology as the installation and troubleshooting techniques are well known and hardware components are easily available. Limited failure. A failure in one node will not have any effect on other nodes. Disadvantage of bus topology: extensive cabling. A bus topology is quite simpler, but still it requires lots of cabling. Difficult troubleshooting. It requires a specialized test equipment to determine the cable fault. If any fault occurs in the cable, then it would disturb the communication for all the nodes. Signal interference. If two nodes send the message simultaneously, then the signal of the both nodes collide with each other. Reconfigurations difficulty. Adding a new device to the network would slow down the network. Ring topology. Ring topology is like a bus topology but with the connected ends. The node that received the message from a previous computer will retransmit to the next node. The data flow in one direction, that is unidirectional. The data flow in a single loop continuously known as an endless loop. It has no terminated end. Each node is connected to other node and having no termination point. The data in ring topology flow in clockwise directions. The most common access method of the ring topology is token passing. Token passing. It is a network access method in which token is passed from one node to another node. Token. It is a frame that circulates around the network. A token moves around the network and it passes from computer to computer until it reaches the destinations. The sender modifies the token by putting the address along with the data. The data is passed from one device to another device until the destination address matches. Once the token received by the destination device, then it sends the acknowledgement to the sender. In ring topology, a token is used as a carrier. A star topology. A star topology is an arrangement of the network in which every node is connected to the central hub, switch, or a central computer. The central computer is known as a server, and the peripherals device attached to the server are known as clients. Coaxial cable or RJ45 cables are used to connect the computers. Hub or switches are the mainly used as a connection device in a physical star topology. A star topology is the most popular topology in network implementation. Tree topology. Tree topology combines the characteristics of bus topology and star topology. A tree topology is a type of a structure in which all the computers are connected with each other in hierarchical fashion. The topmost node in a tree topology is known as a root node, and all other nodes are descendant of the root nodes. There is only one path exists between two nodes for the data transmission. Thus, it forms a parents and child hierarchy. Mesh topology. Mesh topology is an arrangement of the network in which computers are interconnected with each other through various redundant connections. There are multiple paths from one computer to another computer. It does not contain the switch, hub, or any central computer which act as a central point of communication. The internet is an example of mesh topology. Mesh topology is mainly used for WAN implementation, where communication failure are critical concern. Mesh topology is mainly used for a wireless network. Hybrid topology. The combination of various different topology is known as a hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is connection between different link and node to transfer the data. When two or more different topology are combined together is termed as a hybrid topology. And if similar topology are connected with each other will not result in hybrid topology. For example, if there exists a ring topology in one branch of SBI Bank and bus topology in another branch of SBI Bank, connecting these two topology will result in hybrid topology.